It's gone all loose and floppy. Let's have a look. Oh, Land Rover Discovery Sport HSE. This is the new one, manual transmission, and the gear stick has gone all floppy. Just no good at all. Nice simple fix, this one. You'd expect this on an old car that's got a worn out gear linkage, not on a brand new, well, one that's a year old. Next door neighbour, give us a shout. Can you come and have a look at this for me? My gears are not working properly. So yeah, this is it. Now we're just going to pop off the leather boot that's around the gear stick. You just put your hand in and just prise up the little round the edge. Just give it a little pull, a little tug, away she comes. I found this top left hand corner was a good place to start. Just get your fingers in there, give it a little tug, and it just pops away from the clips. Work your way around and just lift it so you can see what's going on underneath, which then reveals the gear selector linkage. Now, as you can see, the front rod has popped off. There it is. Look, you can see the little knuckle ball on top of that lever with nothing on it, and the cable attachment is just there floating away. Just there, look, there it is. Now, I can't see any reason for this actually popping off. It looks like it wasn't fitted properly, or something on the spring clip might not be quite strong enough, or he got a bit brutal with it, probably gave it too much of a, you know, manhandled it. But anyway, all we're going to do is just clip that back down again, and you can hear it popping on. Now this is odd, and it looks when you're trying to hold the camera as well. But here we go, let's give it a bash. We'll just get that in place, move the lever forward a tad, drop it in. Somewhere there. Yeah, it looks about right. And then just push it down with my fingers. Oh, and you hear it just clink in. There we go, look. There it is. And it seems to be on, it clipped in well, so it doesn't feel worn, so I can only presume that it wasn't on properly, or like I say, it's been really shoved into gear quite hard that has made it pop off. But it's on really well and tight, look. As we put it on, it just pops back on again. Give it a good test, everything seems fine. So now we're happy with that, it's all working well. We'll pop this cover back down there, you just line it up and just push it, and you'll hear it all clip back in nicely. Goes down ever so easily, the clips are really nice, and then there it is, it's all working well. First, second, third, reverse, reverse, there it is, reverse. Yeah, she's moving well, and it feels really good, so happy with that. Simple as that. If you don't know though, you can't fix it. So I hope that's been of help to you. If you're stuck stranded in the middle of nowhere and can't get any gears, this could be a really good solution to you. Pop that cover up, pop that link rod back on again, and job's a good one. If that's been of any use, drop me a little thumbs up, a comment. Thanks for watching.